The Bank of New York Mellon is actually one of the United States' oldest continuously operating financial institutions. We've been around 225 years now, and we're the original stock that was traded on the New York Stock Exchange. We were the very first stock. So on a global basis, we really are in two key business lines. And one we would describe as investment servicing, and the other we would describe as investment management. And often at BNY Mellon, we describe ourselves by what we don't do rather than what we do, which I think helps the industry and our clients really understand what we do and how we differentiate ourselves. And if I start by doing that, I'll say that what we don't do is we're not a retail bank. So that immediately differentiates ourselves from some of our peers in the US sort of financial industry space. And we are also not an investment bank. So to come back to the idea of the two main business lines of investment servicing and investment management, we can then drill down a little bit more. Investment servicing is the financial operations of the global financial services industry. And the big businesses within that for us are global custody. We are the world's largest global custodian with almost $26 trillion of assets under global custody, spanning over 100 markets. And those are assets of pension funds, sovereign wealth funds, insurance companies, mutual fund companies, all across the world. And the other businesses under investment servicing would be our cash management businesses, our trade finance businesses, and also depository receipts. If we look at the other business, investment management, that really falls into two different segments. One would be institutional investment management, where we own and operate 16 investment management boutiques, and the other is a wealth management business. So we have 40,000, just almost 40,000 employees worldwide. We operate in 38 countries, and we've been in South Africa as a business since 1994. And we opened an office here in 2003. One of the differentiating factors, I think, of BNY Mellon is our financial strength and our credit rating. So this ties in with the description of the company not being an investment bank and not being a retail bank. Our position in the market is somewhat more stable and conservative in terms of the type of banking we do, and we are still rated as one of the strongest US financial institutions by the three rating agencies.